Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. I'm Zone 7 northeast of Atlanta. The weather forecast for the next week is mid-90s, mid-70s at night, mid-90s to high 90s during the day, which means these poor garlic are done. They are not going to handle that kind of heat. There's also no forecast of any rain, so all they're going to do is die back and start splitting. So it's time to get these things out. These were planted last October. I actually bought online new starts because I haven't had much in the way of garlic for the last few years. And the last time I had really good garlic, I had bought my seed garlic online. The weather was moderately better this year, so we're going to see what happens. But whatever it is with the 90s, this stuff is done. So let's take a look and see what's happening. As much garlic as we eat, I sure hope there's some in here. Boy, the soil will compact quick. Oh, there's my first one. How about that? This is label's over on the other side. Look at that. Start here, Picky. Let's see how we can do here. Okay, I'm going to show you the first 5 here. Well, look at that. So, looks like I'm going to get a garlic harvest this year. I bought my seed garlic from a place called the Garlic Shop in Colorado. The last time we had a really good garlic harvest was the last time I bought my seed from them. They send you some really nice bulbs to start with. Just beautiful garlic. There's one from the opposite end of the 4-foot bed. This is a 4-foot by 4-foot bed. As I said, I planted it last October. And amazingly, every year I usually get organic. We always buy organic garlic when we run out. And I use that for my starts, and they've just been terrible. And like I say, last time we had a big garlic harvest, I ordered my, you get like 2 bulbs of each kind of garlic or whatever for, it's kind of expensive, but look at the garlic that's coming from it. It's got a whole lot cheaper when you're actually getting garlic. I've got another 4-foot bed of this, of a different variety. And I think it's a smaller garlic, but it's supposed to be a stronger flavor. These are the Enchilium Red. That's usually, if a garlic's going to work for me, that's it. It's little stronger taste than the stuff you buy in the store, which is fine with us. We like garlic. Planted these about 4 or 5 inches apart. Oh, there's a nice big one. These will have to cure for a while. Cut the roots off. And after they cure, we can cut most of the tops off. And none of these have started to split yet, so it was definitely time to get them picked, because once they split, they don't hold very long. You gotta actually dig these. I just broke that one off. Shame I broke that one. Alright, here's my harvest out of a 4-foot bed. Boy, we'll have garlic for a good while. Amazingly though, we'll actually use all of this. Look at that harvest. Alright, now I got a 4-foot bed to clean up, and I got plants ready to go right in it. So this is Memorial Day weekend. Zone 7, Lawrenceville, Georgia. This is David at Grow and Eat This. He's definitely grown some garlic, and it's going to be fun to eat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. There's a whole lot more videos coming because we got a busy garden this year. And hit the like button, and I think there's a little bell or something that'll send you a notification when I put new ones up. So, happy gardening, and thank you for watching.